Hi, this is Lavana from the Cottage of Grace, and I did a video series that I'm going to post here soon on getting your cabinets cleaned out, your pantries cleaned out, getting rid of the food that's expired. All food, all medications, even drinks now have an expiration date, and if it's expired, pitch it. If you've bought something thinking, oh wow, this looks good, maybe I'll give it a try to eat it, and you decide down the road, you know, you don't eat it, and it just sits there and sits in there, sits there, and then you look at it and you're like, what did I buy this for? Make a box of that type of food that you could donate to a food pantry somewhere or give to a family that you know might need the food. Like our church has a food pantry, so when we cleaned out stuff, we made a little sack of stuff that we could take to the church. And anyway, we got everything all cleaned out, got everything listed that's in every cabinet, pantry, and our side freezer next to the refrigerator, and then the big freezer out in the garage. And then today, knowing what I have that was in my head, my list, what was in my head from our cleaning, I did the Big Mondo grocery shop. And this is what I get to put away. All of this food, all of it, I mean every single bit of it, goes towards a menu that I will get made here within the next couple of days, and that way my family will know exactly what we want, you know, for supper. You know, we tried for a long time, like Monday was, you know, roast mashed potatoes, Tuesday was ham casserole, Wednesday was pork chops. You know, and sometimes you look at the menu, and if it's Wednesday and you think, I don't want pork chops today, but I sure would like the Mexican that's listed for Friday, well then go ahead and switch it around. So we stopped putting the days of the week that we were going to eat those certain things, and so we just make a menu of what we want, and I list everything that I have here to make it. If there is something that I need to buy to finish the recipe for the dinner, then I make a side notation, or I put that on a list to go and finish it. But I try very hard to not do that, to use what I have and substitute if necessary, because there's nothing wrong with substituting something in a recipe. You know, if it's going to taste good anyway. So anyway, this was the Big Mondo shop day, and gosh, I gotta put it away now. I wish I didn't have to, but it must be done. And so, okay, next video will be about actually getting the menu planned. And blessings. Bye.